your budget. Try not to spend the whole thing. And here, this will tell you anything you want to know.
7,291 simple steps to making an animated cartoon. Well, let's make a cartoon. Step 1. Design the characters.
Okay, here's my character. His name is Salami. Get it? Salami, salami.
This is Betty Baloney. She's a girl.
Okay, this cute little guy I call Lester Roquefort.
Let me see.
Wow, that looks terrific, Phil.
Yeah, this is great. Can I make one little change?
Well, sure.
I think it should be more like this. And we could just call him Mr. Cheese.
Now we need to write the show. Okay, let's see what we've got so far.
You seen Robo Frog 5 yet?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, we open up the show in the morning. Betty Baloney wakes up in the deli, okay? Then she says, "Ooh, what a beautiful day!" The doorbell rings, and she goes to the
Telephone.
Excuse me?
Telephone. The telephone rings. It's much funnier that way, don't you think?
Oh, yes. Definitely much funnier.
Yeah, make it a telephone, because telephones are funny.
Very funny.
Cartoons are fun.
Telephone.
Okay, so the telephone rings, and it's Mr. Cheese on the phone. And the cheese says,
"Hello, Diddy. Do you want to come over?"
and then,
The salami.
what?
Salami! It should be Salami on the phone, and he says, "I hate baloney!" And then he attacks her through the phone.
Wait a minute. The salami ain't the only character, you know. Why can't the cheese say it?
The cheese wouldn't say that.
How would you know? I'm the cheese. I know what he says and don't says. What is it with you?
Me? You're the one being
Something against
difficult. I
the
mean,
cheese?
gosh.
Guys,
talk about
you
being
shouldn't.
protective here.
Guys! We'll just put down either salami or cheese for now. We've got to move on.
Fine, whatever.
Sure.
I mean, go
I was
ahead.
just saying, you know.
Boy, crabby.
So after the telephone rings and she answers,
Excuse me.
Hey, you could do that on the show. It'd be great.
Yeah! And boogers can fly out of my nose. Yeah, and all this stuff can fly onto Betty. All this goop and slime and
salami
scum.
swampy move. Up and down like little salami with
And the cheese just...
Then they pick one of the brains and find it.
okay. So Betty wakes up and says, "Oh, what a beautiful day!" And then the telephone
Or doorbell.
or doorbell ringing, and she answers it and says hello. And then the salami
Or cheese.
or cheese says, "I hate baloney," and attacks her through the phone before belching while all the stuff comes out of his mouth where we hold on him for a long time. Okie dokie. So then she walks up to the counter and...
Hold it! You know, I was thinking...
Yes!
Do we really need the cheese at all?
What? Why, you big stupid
What
cow?
did I say?
Why are
You
you
don't
yelling
listen,
at
I'm
me
not
like
attacking
that?
you, I'm attacking your
Let me
stupid
go.
ideas!
Step 47 to step 7,212. Draw lots and lots of little pictures. Next one. Next one. All we have to do is edit the film and we're done.
Stupid? Stupid? Is that what you think?
The cheese monologue is stupid, Filbert! Long and stupid!
Oh, yeah? Well, you know the salami chase sequence? You know what I think of that? There! Yeah!
Oh, yeah? Well, you know the big cheese climax ending? You can't even draw stick figures! Your cartoons aren't even funny enough to be on the Family Channel! You stink!
Hey guys, just came by to pick up the finished film. I'll give you a couple minutes to wrap things up, okay?
Here it is.
Great. I'll zip this on over to the executives. Thanks a bunch. Let me say before we start that I'm very happy with this. It's about deli meats.
Deli meats?
And if you pick this up for 893 episodes, you'll get more of the same. Okay, hit the lights.
Oh boy, what a beautiful day! Hello?
I hate baloney! I am the cheese. I am the best character on the show. I am better than both the salami and the bologna combined.
Notice the texture of this meatloaf, and the pineapples give it a festive touch.
I am the cheese. I am the best character on the show. I am better than both the salami and the bologna combined. I am the best character on the...
The meatloaf should be spongy, yet firm.
Salami, better than the bologna, better than the...
Embrace it.